Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Angry Birds Transformers on your PC. To get started, you'll need to understand that this popular mobile game requires a special tool called an Android emulator. This clever software creates a virtual Android device right on your computer, allowing you to run all your favorite mobile applications seamlessly. It's like having a phone within your computer, ready to launch the game. Now let's choose your emulator. There are several excellent options available, such as BlueStacks, Nox Player, and LD Player, each providing a slightly different experience. Once you've picked one, visit its official website to download the installer. Always ensure you're downloading from the legitimate source to keep your computer secure. The installation process is typically very simple, just follow the prompts. With your emulator installed, it's time to set it up. Launch the program, and it might guide you through a few initial configuration steps. The most important part is signing in with your Google account. This grants you full access to the Google Play Store within the emulator, which is essential for finding and downloading Angry Birds Transformers. Think of it as setting up a brand new Android device. Finally, you're ready to get the game. Open the Google Play Store inside your emulator and use the search bar to type in Angry Birds Transformers. Once you find it, simply click the Install button to download it to your virtual Android environment. After a few moments, the game will be ready. Just launch it from the emulator's home screen and prepare for some epic robot bird action.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.